Welcome to this xxter explanation video. Today, we will explain how you can visualize data in graphs with xxter. With xxter you can collect data from your home automation and visualize it in the app. The xxter controller can collect up to 100 datasets and time periods. You can combine different datasets into graphs and style them the way you want. How does this work? As a professional, in my xxter on the project page, choose Statistics and Chart Data to manage your statistics. For every statistic, you can select for which time period xxter should collect and retain a dataset. For instance, when you select hour, xxter will store values of every 30 seconds of the last 2 hours. If you select month, xxter will store values of every 4 hours of the last 3 months. You can also set the type of statistics you want to collect. Environmental sensors, like temperatures, work best with mean value, minimum and maximum. Metered data, like kilowatt meters, work best with totals differences. Lastly, select the component from the project that contains the data to be collected. When you have added all the datasets you want collected, don't forget to load the configuration on the device. In the profile, both the professional and the end user can add graphs to a page. Every single graph element can contain up to 2 different charts. Under Statistics, select which dataset you want to display. If there are multiple time periods available, you can choose which period should be shown by default. In the app, the user can switch quickly between the available time periods. You have various styling options for your graphs. For instance, to use either a line-type chart or a bar, as well as themes, delimiter lines and y-axis settings. If you use 2 charts in one graph, you have the option to both use the same y-axis scale or use a secondary axis. When you load the profile in the xxter app, you can see your graphs with the data that is collected. If multiple periods have been set up for a chart, you can quickly jump between them using the buttons on the top right corner. You can pinch and zoom on the data to see more details. Of course, the xxter controller will only start collecting data from the moment the new statistics are created and loaded on the device. Experiment with the different styling options and themes to create the visualization you like best. Thank you for watching. Take a look on our website, xxter.com, for more instructional videos about the different functions of xxter. If this video has been of use to you, please leave a like.